Today, let's talk about something really exciting and super effective. A body scrub that not only exfoliates, but also helps with skin whitening. Yes, you heard that right. A simple DIY scrub using ingredients straight from your kitchen. And it can really transform your skin with regular use. Now, if you've been dealing with dullness or rough patches, this one's going to be your best friend. This scrub will help to remove all the dead skin cells, clearing up that dry layer that's been sitting on top and hiding your natural glow. And the best part? It can brighten your skin almost instantly. You'll see the difference after just one use. Let's start off with a turmeric face and body scrub. Turmeric is such a magical ingredient, and it has been used in skincare for generations, especially in Indian households. It's gentle, effective, and so versatile. We're making a turmeric body scrub that's specifically known to help with skin whitening. It's a simple blend, but oh, so powerful when it comes to giving your skin that fresh, even-toned look. Next up, let's talk about another amazing remedy, a coffee scrub. This one is ideal for those of us who've got a bit of suntan or uneven skin tone from sun exposure. It works beautifully for suntan removal and gives your skin a nice, healthy, brightening effect. Alright, let's get started with the recipe. First, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of coffee. Any regular ground coffee will do the trick. Make sure it's not instant coffee. We want that nice, gritty texture for exfoliation. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now, I recommend using coarsely ground sugar for this because it provides that lovely scrubbing texture without being too harsh on your skin. Sugar, believe it or not, is an amazing exfoliator. It helps to slough off dead skin cells, and this gives your skin a nice, soft, and smooth feel afterwards. It's one of those classic ingredients that really does the job well. Now, to bring this all together, let's add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil acts as a base here, and it helps everything blend well while nourishing your skin deeply. Coconut oil contains medium-chain fatty acids, which have natural antimicrobial properties. This makes it a great choice for preventing and even treating minor skin issues. Additionally, coconut oil helps protect against harmful microorganisms, which can sometimes cause skin irritation or breakouts. So, it's a great multitasker in this scrub. And that's it. Our coffee scrub is now ready to use. Super simple, right? You can store this scrub for up to 1 month in a clean, airtight container. Just keep it in a cool, dry place, and it should stay fresh. This scrub can be used on both your face and your body, depending on what area you'd like to target. Just make sure to avoid any cuts or sensitive areas. For best results, use this scrub at least once a week. That way, you'll be regularly removing dead skin cells and giving your skin a fresh start each time. Now, let's talk about why this coffee scrub is so amazing. It's not just about exfoliation. This scrub is actually loaded with antioxidants, which are fantastic for the skin. Antioxidants play a key role in slowing down the aging process, especially for skin that's been exposed to the sun over time. This scrub helps fight premature aging, so things like wrinkles, sunspots, and fine lines can be visibly reduced with regular use. It's like giving your skin a gentle reboot every week. Now let's move on to our second recipe, the turmeric scrub. This one's a favorite for anyone dealing with acne, scars, or hyperpigmentation. Turmeric is a natural healer. It has anti-inflammatory and brightening properties, and it really helps to heal acne while also lightening dark spots and pigmentation. Start again by adding 2 tablespoons of sugar, just like in the previous recipe. Coarsely ground sugar works best to exfoliate without causing irritation. Next, add in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. A little goes a long way here. This amount is just right for glowing results. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Just like before, coconut oil helps everything come together and makes the application super smooth. Give it a good mix until everything is well combined and has a nice paste-like consistency. If you don't prefer coconut oil or don't have it on hand, you can use olive oil instead. It works just as well and also has some great skin benefits. What's interesting is that turmeric helps prevent skin cells from clumping together, which can clog pores. This means fewer breakouts and smoother skin overall. For those of you with extra dry skin, here's a tip. You can add 1 tablespoon of almond oil. It's super moisturizing and makes this scrub even more nourishing. Once you're done making the scrub, store it in a clean, closed container. Like the coffee scrub, this one will stay fresh for up to a month if stored properly. What I love most about this scrub is how simple yet effective it is. With just a few ingredients, you can create something that truly works wonders on your skin. Again, this scrub can be applied on both the face and body. Just make sure to do a patch test if you're trying it for the first time. Apply it generously all over your face and body, and then massage it gently using circular motions. This helps boost blood circulation and lets the ingredients do their magic. The turmeric scrub is both antiseptic and antibacterial, which is so helpful for keeping your skin healthy and clear. It also prevents the growth of acne-causing bacteria, making it great for those who are prone to breakouts. Not just that, has anti-inflammatory properties that can calm inflamed areas and speed up the healing process. So if you've got any redness or irritation, this will help soothe your skin. Use this scrub just once a week, and over time, you'll start to notice a smoother, more radiant complexion. After scrubbing, you can apply coconut oil as a moisturizer to lock in hydration and keep your skin soft. So there you go. Do try these wonderful coffee and turmeric scrubs and see the magic for yourself. And don't forget, share your experience with us by dropping a comment below. We love hearing how these remedies work for you. If you have any questions or doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section, and we'll try to help as much as we can. Thanks a ton for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more natural skincare tips and DIY beauty recipes.